Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. In this video, we will cover the next part of a sorting technique, that is the two-way merge sort. Basically, it is a type of divide and conquer technique. What is the mechanism behind the divide and conquer technique? That is, first of all, we will take one array and performing some operations and then divided it into two parts, that is the left half and right half. Then we will separately sort the left portion and then separately sort the right portion. After finishing these operations, the left half will be sorted in itself and right half will be sorted in itself. Then lastly, we will merge these two separately sorted arrays according to the merging technique. This is the whole idea behind the merge sort. As we named it as a part of a or a type of a divide and conquer technique, it gives us the facility to minimize our number of comparisons and number of operations for sorting any array. Basically, it is a recursive sort, means we will perform all the operations recursively and it's require big O of n log n time complexity to complete the sorting technique. Now we will in detail see the basic mechanism behind the merge sort. Why we are calling it as a two-way merge sort? Because we will separate the whole array into two separate parts and then apply the merging procedure to combine these sorted arrays. So it is termed as a two-way merge sort. Now see what is the basic operation. The basic operation is that the merging of two sorted lists which we had sorted earlier using the merge sort technique into one sorted list is termed as the merging operation. The merging operation has the linear time complexity, means it is having the n log n, that is the big O of n log n time complexity to calculate these operations. Next, it is one of the type of divide and conquer technique, means it will firstly divide the whole array into one separate array and then merge them after sorting separately. Now we will take one example and try to evaluate how it will separate or apply merge sort to these elements. We will take one example for demonstrating the merge sort function. Here in this whole part, I have given the merge sort procedure. Now we will apply this procedure on the array, that is we will take one example as 24, 11, 9, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now we will try to trace this merge sort function to sort these elements. Now we will see here in this merge sort it had taken one array, means this will be the whole array taken into this first parameter. Then I and j, means integer ij, are the dummy variables used for placeholders in the array. Now here integer k is taken as a third element for temporary purpose. Now here we are checking if I is less than j. Now where will be the positions of I and j? I will be here and j will be here. Now we are talking about this I and j. As this is the at the starting position, means its index will be 0 and its index will be n minus 1. And we are checking whether I is less than j or not. Here in this case 0 is less than n minus 1, means I is less than j. Then coming into the loop, we are calculating the middle element, means I plus j by 2. Now consider here it is the seventh element, means index is 7. Now we will take 0 plus 7 by 2. How it will calculate? It will take 7 by 2, means it will divide the array according to this division, that is it will calculate like 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and on an average it will convert it into 4. So what will be the position of our k? 0 1 2 3, and coming to the third position, means at the fourth place it will be the position of k. Now after applying the sorting logics, means it will call this merge sort function twice in a one loop. First of all, for taking as a array A, placing its first index to I and last index to k, means it will start from 24 till 2. This is the first merge sort. Then nextly it call a k plus 1j. K plus 1 is the sixth element and this is the 3. Here it is the second merge sort. Now as we had called these merge sort functions recursively, we will apply the same procedure again and again. Means again we will take this left half as a whole array, this right half as a whole array, and separately sort them internally. Means I will explain this part first. This is the 0th index, this is the third index. So 0 plus 3 equals to 3 by 2, that is the k calculation. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, means 2. It will divide this again at this position, means it will again divide this array into these two parts. Okay, 24 by 11, 9 by 2. Again it will check if I is less than j. Yes. Now it will apply sorting procedure like 11, 24 to 9. Again combining, means while calling the merge function to separately these elements, it will sort like 2, 11, 2, 9, 11, 24, and again applying the same for this half, then it will take as a 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the divide technique we had applied. How it will perform the next operation? It will merge these two separate arrays into one by applying the procedure like. First of all, it will compare 2 with 3. We will take it separately. 2, 9, 11, 24, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it will compare this first element to this first element. As this 2 is less than 3, the third array, that is the sorted array, will contain the 2 as a first element. As here we had got the first position, we will plus 2 9. We compare again 9 with 3. As 3 is less than 9, we will place it here and plus the position here. Now we will compare this 4 with 5, means we are getting the element less than 11 to this side. Then we will put all these 4, 5, 6 into our array. Then coming back to here, we will place the remaining elements like 11 and 24. This is the whole procedure behind the sorting and merging of the elements while using the merge sort operation. As we had seen here, we had divided these arrays into these two parts and again merged them into a one part. So it is a two-way divide and conquer merge sort technique. Comparing it with another sorting techniques, it is the best suited in the situations where the array is partially sorted and it will take minimum number of comparisons to sort this array wholly. This is the basic mechanism behind merge sort